Goodwill finds 1/6 scale barbecue for my action figures. This was a pretty interesting find at Goodwill. It's all metal barbecue. It has the grate or the vent on the top, plus a wooden handle. This little metal hook hooks the lid onto the side. I had to replace the wheels in this third leg because they were missing. That was an easy fix. As far as scale goes, this thing is perfect for G.I. Joe. It's about 1/6 scale. Kind of large, but that's okay. The metal grate is all chrome. I believe this was like a flower arrangement of some sort. Not sure if you can see this, but it says floral or something like that. So I'm assuming it was some type of flower arrangement for like maybe summer barbecues. I don't know. But to me, it makes the perfect size for a G.I. Joe barbecue for a base camp. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps this channel out. Follow me on social media. If you want to help this channel out, support me on Patreon. I really appreciate it. Drop a comment in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.